Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is of non-metals. As we already know that metals and non-metals are the elements that are available around us. So it is very essential for all of us to know whether a particular element is a metal or a non-metal. These materials can be then further divided into metals and non-metals. So, what are non-metals? Non-metals are are in very few numbers in the periodic table. As you see, these yellow colored that are shown in the periodic table, they are all the non-metals. These are located on the right hand side of the periodic table. We can say that elements related under non-metals are sulfur, you can see carbon, phosphorus, all the halogens, hydrogen, oxygen, you have nitrogen, you have selenium, and other noble gases. So we can say that in the periodic table these non-metals are located left to the halogens and right to the metalloids. Metalloids, as we have already discussed, since halogens and noble gases are also nonmetals, these elements are often known to nonmetals. So, these nonmetals, we can say, are those elements which do not exhibit the metallic characters, unlike metals. In the periodic table, the right hand side, you can see all comprises of non-metals. We can say that in the periodic table, there are 22 non-metals in which there are 11 gases, 1 liquid and 10 solid. As you can see, bromine, it occurs in the state of liquid, and hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, and they are all found in the gaseous forms. But carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus, iodine, etc., they all are solid non-metals. That means we have classified metals into solid and liquid. Like we all studied that metals, almost all the metals are in the solid form except for nitrogen. Similarly, non-metals are also categorized into various solid and liquid forms. So these metals, we can say the non-metals are those materials which do not possess the characteristics of a metal. So we can say that materials like coal, sulfur are soft and dull in appearance. So they break down into powdery mass on tapping with hammer. They are also non-sonorous. That means they do not produce any sound and are poor conductors of heat and electricity.